Hello guys, in this video we have to show how many products will be formed when fumaric acid will be subjected to bromination reaction. So here we have to consider the stereochemical course for this reaction. So let us consider the mechanism of this reaction. So first of all, cyclobromonium ion formation step will happen. So this will be the reaction mechanism, and after that this bromonium ion will form, and I will show it in Sawhorst projection formula. Right. So now the next Br minus will attack this cyclobromonium species. So it can attack either from this side or from this side. So if it attacks at this carbon center, then this product will form. And if the attack takes place at this center, then this product will form. So now we have to transform this molecule into the eclipsed conformation to see whether it containing any sigma plane, and thereby we can determine whether it is a meso compound or not. So if we simply perform a 180-degree rotation along this sigma bond, then this will be the conformation. So here you can easily see that it is a meso compound because it containing a sigma plane, right? In the same way, we can check for this product also. So simple rotate this molecule around this bond via 180 degree. So here also you can see that it is a meso compound due to the presence of the sigma plane. So if we draw these molecules in the Fischer projection formula, then it will look like this. And for this product, here also we can designate the absolute configuration for these chiral centers. So this center will be of, this bromine will be of 1 priority, this CO2H2, and this whole group will be 3, and hydrogen is 4. So 1, 2, 3, this is a clockwise rotation, but since hydrogen is horizontally placed, so it will be of S configuration, and in this case 1, 2, and this big group is 3, so anti-clockwise direction rotation, but hydrogen is placed as a horizontal position, so that's why it will be R. So this center is of S configuration and this center is of R configuration. In the same way, anti-clockwise rotation, but hydrogen is horizontal, so it will be R, and this center will be S. So these are the stereochemical outcome of this particular bromination reaction. So I have shown you the every possibilities, that is the every stereochemical description is there. Sawhorst projection formula, then transformation of Sawhorst projection to the Fischer projection formula, and finding out the absolute RS configurations. So that's it. These will be the products for this particular reaction. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.